Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the necessary files and tools, the Xapk and any split APK components. You need an Xapk extractor app because Xapk is essentially a ZIP bundle of APK, S, and assets. The extractor automates unpacking. Once done, make sure unknown sources is enabled so you can install converted APKs and back up important data in case of conflicts. You're initiating the conversion now rather than lingering on setup. Extract the Xapk to a folder you can access next. You now perform the core conversion. Use the extractor to unpack the Xapk into its APK and resource files. If the package contains split APKs, combine them into a single installable APK using an APK combiner or bundle tool. This step ensures proper installation and shared resources are merged. After rebuilding, you must sign the APK with a valid key so Android accepts it. Then run Zipalign to optimize performance. Make sure each step finishes without errors before proceeding to installation. You finish by installing the freshly built APK. Either tap it in your file manager or use a DB install from a computer for clearer error messages. If installation fails, inspect the error. Signature mismatch, missing split APKs, or wrong CPU architecture are the most common causes. If that happens, re-extract the original Xapk. Ensure all splits are included, recombine, and sign again. One key tip: use a dblogcat to capture install errors. It tells you precisely why Android rejected the APK.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.